In this video, I'll show you how to make a game pass in Roblox. But before that, please do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So without further ado, let's get started. First off, open up any browser and go straight to roblox.com. Go right to the bottom and tap on Continue in Browser. Please log into your account. Next thing is just requesting the desktop website. All you need to do is go over to the left hand side and tap on those two A's and then tap on Request Desktop Site and then tap on Create located at the top. Just tap on Manage My Experiences and this will take you to the Roblox Creations page. But if you get taken to a different page, then just tap on the address bar and type in create.roblox.com and you'll be taken straight to this page. Once you're here, tap on Experience and then choose the game or the place you want to create the game pass for. Let's say I'll use this one. To make a game pass, all you need to do is go to the top left and tap on the three bars to the left of dashboard and then tap on associated items and then select passes and we can now create a game pass. So just tap on the create the pass button and we need to upload an image, but just make sure that it fits the Roblox rules, a name and a description as well. Once you're done, tap create pass. If you get errors like an asset creation failed message, that's mainly because of the image format. So there we go. I've now created the pass. If you want to use the game pass and donate, then you'll need to put it on sale as well. And if you want to put it on sale, then tap on it and go to the top left and then tap the three bars and then toggle item for sale on. Type in the price, but just remember that Roblox is going to take 30% and then tap on save changes. Just like that, we've now created Game Pass and made it on sale. That's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye!